What if I told you, the ETF millions of investors trust for passive income, just quietly changed its DNA? And if you didn't notice it, your future dividends could be completely different. Today, we're breaking down the stocks that got kicked out of SCHD, the new companies quietly added in, and why this reconstitution could change SCHD forever, because this isn't just a routine update, this is a shift in strategy. And if you own SCHD, you need to understand this. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. What SCHD actually does. Before we dive into the changes, let's quickly reset what makes SCHD different. SCHD tracks the Dow Jones U.S. Dividend 100 index, but here's the key. It doesn't just pick high-yield stocks, it filters for quality dividend growers that includes strong cash flow, high return on equity, consistent dividend growth, financial stability, which is why SCHD has historically been filled with blue-chip companies, dividend aristocrats, cash flow machines. But here's the catch. These rules also mean stocks can get kicked out fast. Why reconstitution matters. Every year, SCHD goes through a reconstitution process, and this is where everything changes. Companies can be removed, added, reweighted, and here's the truth most investors ignore. Your ETF is constantly evolving. You might think you own the same SCHD from 3 years ago, but you don't. Stocks removed from SCHD. Let's talk about the biggest shockers, common reasons stocks get removed. Dividend cuts, weak financials, lower rankings in SCHD's scoring system, slowing growth. Examples of types of stocks removed. Representative examples, explain conceptually. Slowing legacy companies, over leveraged firms, businesses with declining margins, even strong brands can get cut if they fail the numbers. Why this is a big deal when a stock is removed. SCHD sells it completely, capital gets redistributed, your income stream subtly shifts. This is silent, but powerful. Stocks added to SCHD. Now let's look at the exciting part. What gets added? SCHD looks for companies with rising dividends, strong earnings growth, healthy balance sheets. Types of new additions: financial sector leaders, industrial giants, undervalued dividend growers. These aren't flashy tech stocks, these are income engines. Key insight: SCHD is quietly rotating toward more profitability, more stability, better dividend sustainability. Sector shifts. Here's something most people miss. This reconstitution isn't just about individual stocks. It changes sector exposure. Possible shifts include less exposure to weak sectors, more weight in financials or industrials, rebalancing away from overvalued areas. Why SCHD will never be the same. This is the most important part of the video. SCHD isn't static. It's evolving. What changed? Higher quality threshold, more focus on dividend growth versus yield, rotation into stronger balance sheets. Big truth: SCHD today is not the same SCHD from the past, and that's actually a good thing. Because weak companies get removed, stronger ones replace them, income becomes more reliable. Impact on your dividends. So what does this mean for you? Potential benefits: more stable dividends, better long-term growth, less risk of dividend cuts. Possible downsides: lower short-term yield, slower income spikes. Should you still buy SCHD? Here's the honest answer. SCHD is still one of the best dividend ETFs, but now, it's more refined, more selective, more focused on quality strategy. Tip: instead of chasing yield, focus on dividend growth plus quality. That's where SCHD shines. Future of SCHD: looking forward, expect more frequent turnover, higher quality holdings, stronger long-term compounding. SCHD is becoming less about income today, more about income forever. This video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Investing involves risk, including the loss of principal. Always do your own research or consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. The creator is not responsible for any financial decisions you make based on this content. If you made it this far, you now understand something most investors completely miss. SCHD isn't just an ETF. It's a living portfolio. And after this reconstitution, it will never be the same again. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe for more ETF breakdowns and comment SCHD 2026 if you're holding.